Unites.com, redefining Bollywood.
Honestly speaking, this is my first debut movie and I'm so honored today, कि मुझे ऐसा मौका मिला इतने talented director के साथ काम करने का, and the way he has done everything, I mean, hats off.
We were completely blown by the confidence she had, by the talent that was on display, and it was effortless. She was absolutely effortless. There was not a single moment that we felt, that I felt that I'm working with a newcomer. I have to be a little extra careful. Nothing. She made it such a wonderful ride for me. There are as many love-making scenes as are required. It's a very simple coming-of-age film. Is an 18-year-old boy who meets this enigmatic, free-spirited woman of 25 and falls hopelessly, madly in love. Becomes intoxicated by her and appreciates and starts learning the true meaning of the word love. That it can be excruciatingly painful, or that it can be, exhilaratingly blissful. And in the course of the journey, both of them, the boy and the girl, make choices, that are bold. So the image is not bold, and over here I'd just like to clarify, it's not about the image. The image is, every second film has bold images. So it's not about the image, it's about the thought. It's the 25-year-old woman and the 18-year-old boy who make choices that are bold, that are of today, and eventually cross over, and reach a higher plane of understanding. Ergo, they come of age. So the boldness in the film stems from that decision that they both make, knowingly, when they reach a crossroad. And that for me was the whole, the gist and the hook for doing this film.
सच कहूँ तो मैं कंट्रोवर्सी से बहुत ज़्यादा बोर हो गई हूँ फ़िलहाल, और मैंने सोचा चलो आज जब कुछ ऐसा हो रहा है लाइफ में और कुछ इतना अच्छा हो रहा है तो वैसे में कितनी कंट्रोवर्सीज। मैं ये कहूँगी कि इन्होंने वही चीज़ दिखाई जो लोगों को देखना ज़्यादा पसंद है, and he knows that.
उतना ही देखने को, you get to hear only that much that is essential for the film.
It's not a porn movie.
Yeah, it's as I'm repeating again and again. It's just a coming-of-age film. So the whole film is from the point of view of an 18-year-old boy. So it's as innocent and as sensuous as an 18-year-old boy would imagine it to be. Nothing more, nothing less.
I remember कि हमारे शूटिंग के दौरान ही 31st के दिन एक ड्रिंकिंग सीन है जिसमें एक्चुअली मैंने थोड़ी सी पी रखी थी, and all crew, everyone, they all were enjoying. So.
Thank you for watching. Click on the subscribe button and stay tuned.